Griffin Cooper here at Able Weight Tech. It's June 4th, 2026, about a half hour after the open. I had a list here on the left side, a watch list of anything in the S&P 500 with a good average volume of over 2 million a day that triggered a critical states, everything from the fireworks to Godzilla. I think there was a Humpty Dumpty in there. So I just grouped them all together, saying these are things that could be ready to break out and break out hard at the open. And then Phil came up with this nice little intraday scanner, which scans the percent change off the open. I took the top two. Basically, it's like a relative strength, intraday relative strength. I just took the bottom two biggest sell-offs from the open. And then I took the two positive ones, MDT, CPRT. These had the greatest move off the open. And so you could see around 10 minutes or so, this blue bar is the open. So this is the one that had moved the most. Likewise, around 10 minutes or so, you can see how Rollins, this was the open, had fallen the furthest percent change-wise off the open. So, and then after that, I just waited for the simple Kata challenge pullback. I used the extended hours so that the PSR flip happens a little quicker. And these you got to be quick on. This is a 1 minute chart. Get it while you can. After it got to 1 hour, I'm moving my stop up. At 2 hour, I'm going to keep 70%. So hopefully that was helpful for what we're going to be teaching this idea on our next Kata Challenge Critical States course. Thanks for watching.